Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. I am up and at it. Today I don't have much on the agenda. We are going to be taking the boys to swim lessons. This is actually the last lessons for the season. But swim lessons is on the agenda for today. I don't know what else I got planned on today. Don't have anything planned. Last night, me and my husband normally try to do date night on Fridays. That's something new that we've actually started. So last night we had a little wine drinking, hookah, music, conversation. We literally did that in the house together. But overall, I'm about to get my day started. I've already started putting away dishes. I'm about to wash some dishes, and then I'm about to make some breakfast. And yeah, let me do what I do for my Saturday morning routine. See y'all a little later. All right, you guys, let me back y'all up just a little bit. All right, y'all, so I have finally taken a shower. I'm not in that same top that I was in for like 2 days. But anyway, we ate breakfast already. The kids ate exactly what I made on yesterday, which is that croissant sandwich. I actually got those butter croissants from Trader Joe's. They are amazing. They are bomb. Try it. You will love it. Anyway, so I'm about to do my little skincare routine. I feel like I'm doing the same things all over again. Y'all don't need to see it, but I'm gonna do my skincare routine, pick out something to wear. I literally got probably 15 minutes to get out the door. Swim lessons is at 1:40 to 2:10, and I gotta drive all the way to Orland Park. And I have been slacking the last couple of days on my skin. I haven't put anything on it, but I haven't like cleansed it as good as I should have either. So I'm gonna take the time now to do that since my body is so nice and clean. I did a body scrub. I use my Olay. I use my Dr. Bronner's. I think that's how you pronounce it. Soap. I cleanse my skin really good. I'm going in with this toner by The Ordinary. I'm trying this out. So I haven't switched to my other products. I'm trying to see if I'm allergic to it or not, if I like it. So I'm trying to stick to one thing now. But for the most part, I'm about to do the skincare routine. We're about to get out this house so we can get to swim lessons. All right, y'all. So this is how I decided to do the hair. I'm gonna give y'all a story time on this hair though. I have to, like, I cannot hold this in. But anyway, all I did was put on some mascara and some chapstick. I got a bump that was here. Put some tea tree oil on it to go ahead and activate that. But let me stop rambling. Let's get ready to go to swim lessons. I call myself doing my baby hairs. Hopefully they stay laid. But anyway, let's go. It is officially Sunday and I'm on my way to church. So I've already kind of like started my routine without you guys because it's very repetitive. I've already like put my hair back up in bun. I have did my sideburns, moisturize my face with all my face products. So literally all I'm about to do is my mask makeup routine, and that's pretty much just brows, mascara, concealer, and highlight in the inner tear ducts because that's all they're gonna see. Anyway, y'all see I got a friend that came in and another one here. Trying to work on their skin, but I so far am liking The Ordinary. I've been using their products all week. I'm so far liking it, but I have probably a good 15 minutes to get out this door. I kind of already got what I'm wearing to church picked out. I'm trying to do a TikTok before I leave, and I don't even know if that's gonna be possible. But anyway, I'm finna get back to all my little shenanigans, and I might bring y'all to church. We shall see. But if not, I'll see you guys a little. All right, y'all, I have to get back on here really quick. Look at my face. I use powder. Excuse the music in the background, but I use powder. I'm not a powder girl, but I like it. I like it. And let me take this down so y'all can see. I like it. Hey y'all, I am back from church. Yes, I'm back from church. I had an amazing time. It was amazing. That's all I can say. It was amazing. I'll leave the link to the service down in the description box down below, but it was amazing because my pastor is on YouTube. But I have already came home, took off my jewelry. I'm about to take this sweater off. I'm hot. These clothes are coming off. I'm about to get into something comfortable. But wanted to come in and check in with you guys because I did stop at the grocery store. I was not able to vlog that due to technical difficulties with my cell phone. But anyway, I only got a few items, enough to get me through for today and tomorrow, which is Monday. And then I'll do a grocery order for the rest of the week. But besides that, I am about to do a few chores around this house and try to relax. Maybe watch a movie, get on my computer for a little while. Who knows what the rest of the day may bring. But I had to come in and check in with y'all. I had to. But yeah, this is how my hair and face is looking once I've left service. It's actually like 6 hours later. But I'm tired. I'm tired. I went to bed late, got up early. I'm tired. Anyway, I'll see you guys a little later. Hey y'all, wanted to do a quick Sunday OOTD. Yes, went to church today, wore my, fall attire. Got my jacket from Sam's Club like a year or so ago. Sweater is Old Navy, pants are 9 West. Shoes, can y'all see the shoes? Shoes are from Aldo. Jewelry's from everywhere. Braids done by the Africans. Anyway, I thought I was kind of cute today. I left my purse downstairs in the car, but I thought it was kind of cute today. Get on here and share with you guys how the outfit is looking. I thought it was kind of cute.